So, good afternoon again. So, welcome back again for another video. So, for this video, we will have the part 2 exam about the computer programming. So, part 2 exam is this is the question about the part 2 exam. As you can see, part 2 exam. So, the first question is write an expression that calculates the area of trapezoids given by E, B, and height H. So in order to find that, I have already the code saved on my Microsoft. So the code is here's the code. Write an expression calculates rectangles given area given with height. So as you can see, that's the height of a video. Okay, this is the rectangle given by a height. So we'll just copy paste, copy, then open the Visual Studio. Then create a new project. Then put your basic topic about it's C sharp. It's a little bit poor connection. Just a little. So, next, then we will write the title of this is Part 2 Exam. Part 2 Exam. Then create. So here's the application now, it's open. We'll just paste the text. So guys, this is the text now. This will determine the area of a rectangle. Here's the example on how to calculate the area. Just for a moment. We will just wait for a moment. So enter the height of a rectangle. Let's say the height of the rectangle is 24. Then enter. So the next one is enter the height of enter the weight of a rectangle. So the weight of the rectangle is, let's say, 30. So here's the total area of a rectangle. So we'll proceed to the next question. I'll just clear all these things. Go back to the question. The question number 2 is write the program pens to solve perimeter of an area rectangle by a given side and height entered by a user. So in this part, I also save the perimeter. So here's the perimeter of a user. We'll just copy paste and go to Visual Studio. Then paste. Then in order to get the perimeter guys, you must sum first the two given um, the two given answer, the height and weight, then multiply it by 2 in order to get the perimeter. By getting the area, simply multiply the height and weight. So let's say the length or of the rectangle is um, 26. That is my birthday. Then the breadth of a rectangle is 12. So it shows that the area of the rectangle is 312, and the perimeter is 76. So we will proceed to the next question. Here is the next question is the gravitational field of the moon is approximately 17% of that on the Earth. Write a program that calculates the weight of a man on the moon by a given weight on the Earth. So I have the code of that ready. Here's the code. Gravitational force. We will just copy then paste to the Visual Studio. So it's processing. We'll just wait for a minute. So, as you can see, let's enter the weight of the person. It says we will enter the weight. Let's try the example of my weight. My weight is 60. Then, boom, the weight on the moon is 10.2. So press any key to close this window. So we are now in the last question. So the last question is write an expression that checks for a given point x axis and y axis if it is within the circle k of 0 or simply as origin r is equals to 5. Explanation: the point 0 or the point origin is the center of the circle and 5 is the radius. So I have already that code. So here's the code. We'll just copy then paste it into the Visual. We'll just paste the process in the then run. So this simply asking enter the value of the x. It says all I know in this scenario is if all positive, if the x-axis and the y-axis is positive, it simply implies the result of a true. Then if and if it is negative to negative, let's say it's negative x and then negative y, it is also the result true. But when the two variable is an opposite, let's say it's negative x then positive y, it simply says false. As you can see, we will try. We will put positive number. So, positive 28. It says positive 7. Then the y is positive 22. Is the point 7 within the circle? False. So we will make it true. Seven, eight. So it's also false. Try again. 2, 4. It's now true, as you can see. There's the result. True. There's the result of a true. So we will try the negative. Negative 1, 2, 4. So it is also true. Then try also na the opposite. Will be the result. And positive 4. So it is true. So that's all. That's all, guys. Peace.